Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Example number 9. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Listen, they're asking here ratio. When we join the 2 points, we'll get a line segment. In the line segment, this can be divided by the y-axis. Now we can find the ratio of the part, right? When we divide this line segment by y-axis, we should find the ratio. Clear? It can be divided by the two parts. We should find the ratio. As well as they asking, we can find the point of intersection. Are you clear? Excuse me. Sure. Okay, listen up. Now I'll explain. Actually, we just consider the point. The point 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. So this is a 2 points. It can be joined by the line. Clear? This is a line. It can be joined the 2 points, right? The line segment. Now the y axis. So y axis divides the line segment. Clear? Excuse me. The y axis divides the line segment. We are supposed to find the ratio. It can be divided into two parts. So we can find the ratio as well as we should find the point of intersection. Are you clear? Excuse me. Are you clear? Actually, they given a 2 points. When we join the 2 points, we'll get a one line. So in that line can be divided by the y axis. We can find that ratio. What is the part? How it can be divided? What is the part of ratio? And we should find the intersection point, the point of intersection or the intersection point of line segment and y axis. Clear? Excuse me. Okay, da. Okay, da. So now here they said, yes, they said the y axis divides the line segment, but they didn't give the any other option. They said only intersection. It may be intersected by here or here or here. I just draw it in the center one. Are you clear? It is not in an exact division, da. It may be in any ratio. It can be divided. Are you all clear? The y-axis can divide the line segment by any ratio. Clear? So we should find the ratio. Can anyone guess me how will you solve the problem? We have only 2 points. And one more clue, they said y-axis dividing. That's all. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, First of all, we just assume that ratio, right? We don't know the ratio. So we can assume that even in earlier classes, we learned as a common ratio. X be a common ratio, right? Whenever they given a ratio problem, we should take x as a common ratio, right? Excuse me. The same way, when they given when we want to find the ratio of any ratio problem, you should take k is to 1. Clear? It is the ratio. For example, if anything, for example, 5 is to 2, 1 means it is a one of the ratio, right? It may be a 1. It may be a 10 is to 2, right? So it is capable, it is applicable for all the ratios. K is to 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me, da. Excuse me. The ratio of the general form of the ratio, general form for any ratio, any intersection point ratio, it is a k is to 1. How it is came? Listen, 1 by 1 is equal to k. 4 by 5 equal to k, because when you are dividing by anything, it became a k. So that we can write 1 is to k. Otherwise, k is to 1. Clear? Both are same. Are you clear, baby? Excuse me. So it is just a general form. You just keep in mind, it is for common dividing ratio. K is to 1. Clear? Now, so we found the ratio, general form, k is to 1. What is the point? Points they given. What are the points they given? 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. Clear? Excuse me. Clear? Okay. Now, we have a ratio as well as point. Now we can use a section formula. Section formula. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the section formula, baby? No, baby, it is showing. It is visible only, no. Others, excuse me. Excuse me. Also, please, you can change your layout, ra. I think so, you are missing in a layout. Check எனக்கு full screen தெரியுதியா? Okay, da. What is the section formula? What is the section formula? Can anyone? Section formula? In that ratio, what it is? What's the section formula? the point P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now the ratio here m1, here m2. Clear? In some problem they given a mn da, so don't need to confuse it. Even m1, m2 or m is to n, both are same. Clear? Now we can substitute a formula. So P of x comma y equal to m1 value. What it is m1? K, excuse, k minus x2 minus 1 da, x2 plus m2 1 into x1 5. Are you clear? Then m1 m2 what it is? K plus 1 comma m1 k into y2 minus 4 y2 plus m1 1 y1 minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Clear? Excuse me, any doubt? Okay. Now we can write. So k into minus 1 minus k plus 1 into 5. It is a into da. The dot it means into. 1 into 5. 5 k plus 1 comma k into minus 4. So minus 4k minus 1 into 6 minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Now it is a point. This is a point of intersection, right? Clear? So this is a point of intersection. The point is lying on the y-axis also. Are you clear? Excuse me. Listen. Actually, the y-axis dividing a line segment. So the point is lying on the y-axis or not? Excuse me. The point is lying on the y-axis also. You just keep in your mind. Very good. When the point is lying on the y-axis, what is the point? Since you can write, the point is lying on the y-axis. Here, the point lies on the y-axis. So what is the point it became? Y comma 0. Clear? So P of y comma 0. Are you clear? Excuse me, pa. Any doubt? Excuse me. Sorry, x comma. What it is? Y value alone? Value. So 0 comma y. Clear? Excuse me. Clear? Any doubt, Ra? Now you can equate. Listen. The point is x value is 0. Y value alone it became some number. So you can equate 0 and this value. First one. Clear? In the entire value it became a 0, right? So you can write it minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. Are you all clear how it has become a 0? Excuse me. Are you all clear how it has become 0? Listen, one more time I'll explain. Actually, now we found the section formula. In this section formula, we substitute a ratio and point. What we will get? What we will get? For example, it is a 2-point A, B. Now it is in a ratio 2:1. When we apply this section formula, what it is? The point of intersection. We can get this point, right? Clear? Excuse me. We'll get that point P. In the point of P, the line is intersecting. That is the y-axis. So the point should be lies on the y-axis. So the point value is 0 comma y. Clear? Excuse me. Clear? So we can substitute the value y comma 0. That is 0 comma y. So 0 comma y. Here the first value is 0. Second point is y value. Are you clear? Clear? So first value is 0. So I just equate the first this expression equal to 0. So this expression minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. Next is what you're supposed to do. You just do the cross multiplication. Minus k plus 5 equal to 0 into k plus 1. Clear? So 0 into any number became a 0. Very good. Next, minus k equal to minus 5. So minus minus cancel. K is equal to 5. Are you clear? Clear? Any doubt? Clear? So now we found a point. So what is the ratio now? What is the ratio we assumed here? Therefore, the ratio is k is to 1. What is the ratio? 5 is to 1. Are you clear? Excuse me? Okay. Next to what they asking? The point of intersection, right? The point of intersection. So what is the point of intersection here? This one is the point of intersection, right? Clear? Excuse me? Ah. So the point of intersection 0 comma y equal to minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1 comma minus 4k plus minus 6 divided by k plus 1, right? This is the point of intersection. Now we know the k value. We can substitute the k value here and find it. So 0 comma y is a point of intersection which is equal to minus k. So minus 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 1 comma minus 4 into 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 1, right? Excuse me. Okay. Now. Minus 5 plus 5 became a 0. 0 by 6 comma minus 20 minus 6 divided by 6. So 0 by 6 it became a 0. We know that 0, right? First number 0. Second y value you can find it. What it is? 14 minus 6. Minus 26. Same sign addition only, no? Divided by 6. Now you can cancel by which table? 3 table. 2 3s are? How it is possible 3 table here? 26. 26 is not possible in a 3 table. So 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 3 2s are 6. So the answer is what it is? 0 comma minus 13 by 3. Clear? So therefore the point of intersection is therefore the point of intersection 0 comma minus 13 by 3. Are you clear? Any doubt, Ra? Excuse me.
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.